Okay, so let's dive in today. We're looking at freecash.com. It seems to be just booming all over the internet right now.
Oh, absolutely. You can't really miss it. And the ads, they're flashing these really compelling promises.
Yeah, like real cash,
Right.
right? Just for doing pretty simple things, testing apps, playing games, taking surveys.
Exactly. And it's not just pocket money they're hinting at. The claim that's really making waves is earning potentially up to $200 per offer.
Wow, $200, that's a huge number. And, that figure alone, it kind of sets up our mission for this deep dive, doesn't it?
It really does. Is this actually a legit way to make some money, or is that big number just, well, bait, hiding something less appealing?
Right. We need to sort of cut through that marketing hype and look at the actual data. So the big question first, is free cash a scam or is it legit?
Well, based on, a lot of evidence, the short answer is no, it's not a scam. It's considered a legitimate GPT platform. Yeah, get paid to. And what makes it different from a scam is it seems to have a clear, verified way of operating financially. They're actually paying out real money for tasks.
Okay, but what's the proof? Like what data backs that up? Saying they pay is one thing, but...
Sure. The scale is pretty significant.
Okay.
First off, you look at their Trustpilot rating. It's marked excellent.
Okay.
And that's based on a massive number of reviews. We're talking over 245,000 user reviews.
Whoa, 245,000, that's a lot. What are people saying in those reviews mostly?
The consistent theme is praise for fast payouts. People mention getting their money quickly through PayPal or crypto wallets. And they like the simple tasks.
That volume is definitely hard to ignore. Longevity usually comes with that kind of number. But playing devil's advocate here,
Right.
do we know if those reviews are from people who've used it long term? Or maybe just, someone cashed out $5, wrote a quick review, maybe for a bonus.
That's a fair point, and it's the right question to ask. The sources suggest that while, quick reviews probably exist, the platform itself isn't brand new. It's been around for several years.
Okay, several years. So it has some staying power.
Exactly.
Cool.
And it runs on a real business model. Affiliate marketing, using partnerships with advertising networks.
Right. Let's unpack that a bit because that's key to how they can afford to pay users anything, let alone $200. What are these partnerships?
So basically, advertisers or game developers want users. Let's say you complete an offer, like reaching level 30 in a game they're promoting.
Okay.
The advertiser pays Freecash a commission because Freecash just brought them an active, engaged user. Freecash then gives you a cut of that commission.
So free cash is like the middleman.
Precisely.
Yeah.
And those big $200 offers, they're not for just clicking a few survey bubbles.
No, I figure.
They usually require a serious time investment. Maybe signing up for a paid service or hitting a really tough goal in a game, stuff that shows the advertiser you're a potentially high-value, long-term customer.
That makes the $200 claim much clearer then. It's possible, technically, but it's like the exception, not the everyday experience.
Exactly. It's rare, specialized.
Okay. So it seems legit, but maybe not the gold mine the ads suggest. Let's shift to the reality check. Because the sources did mention some, let's call them minor red flags, things people should be aware of.
Absolutely. Probably the biggest frustration you see reported is about crediting issues.
Meaning?
Meaning you spend the time, you complete the task, you hit level 30 or whatever, and then nothing. The reward doesn't show up in your account.
Ouch. That would be frustrating. Is that free cash just deciding not to pay? Or something else?
It's usually technical from what the sources indicate. Tracking these completions relies on things like, tracking pixels, cookies, all set up by the third-party advertiser.
Okay.
So if you're using strong privacy settings or maybe clear your browser cookies halfway through or use a VPN, that tracking link can break.
So the advertiser system doesn't see the completion?
Right. And if Freecash can't verify it, they can't credit you. It's usually a technical breakdown on the advertiser's end, not necessarily Freecash being malicious, but still super annoying for the user.
Yeah, definitely. But understanding why it might happen is helpful. Okay, and then the other thing is the earning variation. We talked about the $200 unicorn.
A unicorn, right?
What's a typical earning reality look like, though?
Much lower. Think cents, maybe a few dollars for most offers. Simple surveys, easy game downloads. You really need to go into it expecting micro income.
Pocket money, maybe coffee money.
Yeah, maybe a few bucks here and there if you put in some time consistently. It's definitely not quit your day job money. Think of that $200 offer like, well, finding a winning lottery ticket. Nice if it happens, but don't plan your finances around it.
Got it. So let's synthesize this. The final verdict for you, the listener, seems pretty clear, right?
I think so. Freecash.com looks like a legitimate platform. You can earn real money.
Yeah.
It's backed by a real business model, tons of user reviews confirming payouts. But, and this is the critical part, you have to set realistic expectations. It's a source of micro-income. Good for filling small gaps of time, maybe earning a little extra on the side.
Definitely not a get-rich-quick scheme.
Not even close. Don't expect to get rich overnight or, frankly, ever just from this platform.
Okay, so final thought then. Given how visible Freecash is and those 245,000 plus mostly positive reviews, even knowing the big payouts are rare and tracking can be iffy, what does that sheer volume tell us about the demand out there? There seems to be this huge, persistent desire for people to find any small, flexible, verifiable way to earn a bit online, doesn't it?
That's a really interesting point. It suggests maybe the future of these online side hustles or micro gigs is already kind of here, and perhaps the demand for these small earning opportunities actually far outstrips the supply of those really high-value offers. Makes you think.